In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add featured channels onto your channel page. So these are like featured channels you can add like these videos and playlists. And it used to be like right here on the right, but they changed it and you can now add it like right here, like these. So yeah, let's get started. All you basically have to do is click on customize channel right there. This will open up the new channel customization, and under the featured section you want to add a section. Now click on it and lots of different sort of like features will pop up, and at the bottom you can see featured channels, and all you have to do is just click on it. You can give it a name, so let's say something like best channel or channels or something like that. And now you can add a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to search for how to digital right there, and I'm just going to add it. You can even add how many you like, but I'm just going to add only this one. Then click on done, and as you can see, the featured channels has now appeared. And if you click on publish and then refresh this page, you can see that it's still not there. Now when it used to be on the right, it would just appear immediately, but with this new feature it may take a couple minutes before it will actually show up on your page. But as you can see, this one's right there, and that's this one, but this one still isn't, because as I said, that will take some time. So that's basically how you can do it. You just have to wait for a bit, and then yeah, it will appear right there. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.